lovelies and gents. It's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am doing something once again different because this is not a wig. Nope, she ain't got on a wig, boo. But she cute though. She cute. Do still have my short hair. Thank you so much, Diva Tress, for making this tutorial possible, because today's video is more of a how-to video. It's a tutorial, and I would like to thank Diva Tress. Everyone say thank you, Diva Tress. Thank you. We appreciate you. PM 230. They sent me 6 packs. I received them on time. Never have any problem with their customer service. Diva Tress is always right on time. And they're really chunky, as you can see. So I only needed to use 4 because I have, like, the parts are not even, but some of the parts are a little bit smaller, some are bigger. I did it that way to look more natural, especially with them being so big, and I didn't want it too full because it's already full. And my head is a little smaller than average, but they have some of them that have the little, see that? I don't even really need to open this. But these are the metallic accent locks, and the one that I have comes in gold. So I like them. I like the fact that they're short and they're lightweight. They're not heavy. See, they're very kind of springy. See, they pop back like that. Like if I was to take a few and just pull them up like this, what they would look like. They would look like this here. Well, that's like a little style you can rock. Yeah. She cute. She cute. She really cute. So, and then also you can, you know, put the little knot up there if you want to do the little knot, the little bun, the top knot bun. And you can wear half up, half down. And then also what is really cute, I'll just show you a picture of what it looks like. But last night I put it in a pineapple. You can get a little cute pineapple like that, y'all. Like I said, they're very springy. But I like them lots. You can change it up like where you split them off at. Like if you just want it to fall back, you can rock it like that. Right here. So y'all, what you think? What do you think? This right here is like, it's pre-wrapped. And it's kind of soft. It doesn't feel like foil or like that hard aluminum or anything like that. It's more of like a thick thread. But they were a little bit different putting these ones in. Not hard. I actually liked putting those in. The loop is kind of more, you know, it's more defined. The loop is more defined, even though the only reason it was easy for me is because I have smaller fingers. The tips of my fingers aren't that big unless my fingers are swollen. So I don't remember exactly how long it took me to do these, but most of the time was spent, you know, prepping for the style and, you know, using my fingers to part the hair apart and separate and all that. The Hicks edge control. So I applied Hicks edge control. You'll see that in the video. And then you might want to get you a brush because I don't know how your hair is. But I got to the point where I didn't even need to use the brush anymore. I just like used the end to help me part through my hair. It's kind of thick, but it's short. I just have a lot of little curls at the roots, but I was not about to blow dry my hair and put heat up in it just to make this happen. So once again, you guys, we like to say thank you to Diva Tress. I'm going to let you like check out the video. Thanks in advance for watching. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed to your gal Lovely Angel Lady, to your girl LAL. If you are not subscribed, ding, press that button, girl. What you doing? Press that button. I appreciate y'all. You know I love y'all. Y'all right here in my heart, in the bobbin of my heart. Your girl LAL loves you. I hope you enjoy it. And look for me next week. I'll see you. Bye-bye.